I guess the question is if we showing or are we waiting until the reveal? What are we doing here? I got the wheel.
What's gonna be in this video? Do we have enough for 2 videos?
Yeah, I mean we got enough because we got a lot to go over. I mean there's been, yep, just enough to get the cellophane on the wheel. That's I think I showed just enough of like the edge, like the very teeny amount.
Sorry guys.
Reveal coming soon at 10,000 subs. So we got a lot to cover. So what have we been doing since? What are we showing and what are we keeping under wraps?
I guess we're not going to show the rims.
Okay.
The rims will be final, all done.
Okay.
Polished.
Oh shit! Hang on. Okay, go.
Driving. That'll be the final.
We gotta move the
We
camera.
can show all the polishing that we did.
Yeah, you did quite a bit of polishing. I won't lie. I mean,
So
this thing is like
slick.
a mirror, you know. And the funny thing about it is, Adans, he's still not happy with it. No matter how mirror shine, super flat it can get, I don't think he'll ever be happy with it.
You know, it can always be better.
I don't know.
Yeah,
So you spend a lot of time polishing it out.
I mean, it's really good. It's nice.
Yeah, it looks great. I think it looks great. It's by far one of the best that I've seen come in a long time. Yeah. So it came out super slick. This video quality probably doesn't do it justice. We can look at the tailgate and really reflect off of how gorgeous slick it is. But yeah, so we got that done. Yep. What else have we done? We started hanging moldings, I see.
Yeah, there's a couple pieces back here that I have to polish. Well, these are polished. The mud guards I'm going to polish. The tailgate handle still have to get polished and put on.
So you're literally polishing every single part by hand before you put it on.
Everything.
Polish, clean it, and then install it.
And then do a final polish once it's all done.
And then a final cleaning after.
Yeah.
That's so many steps, man.
And it's so worth it.
So far it has been. I mean, the truck's looking really clean and
inside?
organized. Yeah, you got the inside done, huh?
Yeah. So I got the carpet
Oh, yeah.
from a salvage.
Yep. We got rid of, because there was a Warr truck, so it came with that
The vinyl.
plastic vinyl interior carpet.
And then we got the cat skin leather.
Oh, yeah, that does look good.
Kind of dusty, but looks good. Oh, and the headliner.
Oh.
You can show that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Super suede headliner.
Suede. We painted all the plastics.
Yeah. Oh, even these, huh? Even the corner plastics?
Yeah, so the corners.
Because those come like
the little
or
seat
gray
belt
or whatever.
They're like a gray, yeah. The seatbelt cover is hanging down. We're gonna stick that in. The grab handles were like a light gray. We painted those black. So everything in here is black.
Nice.
Windows tinted.
Okay. Okay. So interior's pretty much complete. Ready to be sat in and driven around.
Still brand new.
Still got
Juan, do not rip this off.
I think even we could do like
You took that off when we were
No,
driving.
no, I didn't take it off. I really wanted to, but I'm pretty sure you took that off on your own. I think I took this one off.
Yeah, I think that one's still on. Yeah, that one's still on.
I'm pretty sure we can look back 3 years and that thing will probably still be hanging from the clubhouse.
At least for a little while I show it, so they see it's brand new.
It's brand new. So yeah, interior's ready. I see you did some stuff to the rear of the car. I mean, we've got the tailgate on, obviously. Tail lights, the bumper.
Painted to match all of this. The steps are still going to be texture since you are going to step into it, or if you want to step into it, you're not going to scratch the paint.
Not that you'll need to. This thing is super low to begin with.
Yeah.
But it looks. What should we get back here a little bit? It looks super complete with like.
Oh, dude,
the bumper on it. It just completes the look right there.
The difference from it being white and this color and all polished and everything, it's man.
Yeah.
Totally different level.
Yeah.
Like it looked good. It looked good white with the chrome wheels and stuff. You know how that factory look that we got. Car Buzz or Car whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, how they posted it, it looked good. But this is just something else.
Okay, so we've got that done. Try not to show it. Alright, so we got the rear pretty much done. I do see the front bumper and the grill laying over there.
So the grill surround was chrome, remember? And we got the stripe goes through it as well.
It goes through it, huh? Right there. So the grill's also...
I still gotta polish that. It's just wet sanded. I still got the lights.
Oh, we haven't shown the lights really.
You can show the lights.
I'm gonna have to...
That was pretty.
I know, right? I'm gonna have to close the door later or wait for it to get shadowy so I can really do some nice videoing on the lights. But we did custom lights. It's
not the same color gray. I didn't want to go like color match. I think that to me it looks kind of tacky.
Okay.
You know, so we went with a couple shades darker of this color, a couple shades darker. So.
Yep. So that was a task in itself. You know, taking the headlights apart.
Frank at IQ Headlights did an amazing job.
But he took it apart, brought this bezel back. We painted the bezel.
Yep.
Then he put it back together. Got it all done.
Yep. No, he's definitely knows what the hell he's doing.
What's the plan for the grill other than the bezel?
Just black.
Black?
Stay satin or the factory little texture. GMC is going to be satin black. I don't want to accentuate the GMC.
I don't know why they always did it in gold, that GMC gold or whatever, or the red. It came red, huh?
Yeah, red.
Red, yeah. So I always preferred color matched. You know.
You don't want to, I mean, everybody knows it's a GMC.
Yeah.
Right. So.
We're putting a red on. Can you imagine a big red GMC
back,
on this thing?
We're gonna do the back color match but satin. So you know how the GMC has chrome?
Yeah.
Chrome, and then the red. The chrome will be this silver. And then the red is going to be that, but satin.
Okay.
Satin. I think it'll be a nice.
Other than that, you got all the glass back in it. I see the windshield, the back glass, everything's in it.
Yep.
It starts and runs, obviously. You got the drive shaft put in it.
Drive shaft's put in.
Fuel tank's complete, huh?
Yeah, the fuel neck, right where the hose is, I got to put a clamp on that. And then put the fuel door on.
Pretty much wraps that up, huh?
So tonight I'm going to finish out a little bit of polishing. Tomorrow we're going to finish the reassembly, put the rims on it. I'm taking the rims right now to get the tires
mounted.
Put on. So tomorrow.
Damn, dude.
Tonight.
So by Monday it'll be out of this bay by Monday.
Saturday I'm driving it. Saturday I'm driving it. As long as we have to still bleed the brakes a little bit. We'll use a scan too to bleed them. Cool. I plan on driving it tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. I hope nothing goes wrong. Right?
No. So yeah, it's pretty much there, dude. The body side moldings, the color moldings on it.
Go pick up my daughter. My wife's calling. Adios.
Bye. The side moldings, paint to match on it, really starting to put everything together. Stick around for the reveal on this thing. It's coming up, like Adans said, he's gonna finish it this weekend. It'll probably still have a couple little small details to do here and there, but for the most part it'll be on the ground ready to start shooting the reveal. We'll probably take it out on the highway and do a little rolling shot action and whatnot, but should be a lot of fun. He's real meticulous with everything, even the bolts that were, you know, just regular silver colored or body colored. Everything's getting painted treatment on it just to ensure that this thing is to the next level. Polishing every single piece before it even gets installed onto the car. Everything's getting a correction, a polish, and then reinstalled onto the car, and then a final little polish. From here you can kind of get a glimpse of how it looks with the bumper on it, and it is super good. So that's it for now, so we'll wrap it up and go from there. But yeah, he is eager to get this thing on the road and get it done.